All right. Welcome to another Tia's Kitchen, and what do we have here?
All right, we're gonna make some Salisbury steak.
Salisbury steak, okay.
So I took some frozen patties.
Okay.
And a white onion.
Okay.
I didn't use the whole onion. I just used half.
Okay.
I like onion, but not that much.
Right.
So I layered them. I didn't care if they were on top of each other.
Mm-hmm.
Some people do, some people don't.
Okay.
I put a slice of butter on each one of the patties.
Okay.
And I use one of the Lipton Recipe Secrets, which is onion and seasonings on the inside.
Okay.
Then I used brown gravy pack, and I used meatloaf seasoning.
Okay.
Yes. And I sprinkle all that on top.
Mm-hmm.
And inside, well, I didn't have a can of cream of mushroom.
Okay.
So I'm going to make my own cream of mushroom.
Okay.
And you put that and pour that on top, and then bake it in the oven till they're done.
Okay. Well, when you get ready to make the
cream base.
Base, okay. We'll check that out.
All right.
All right. And we have the cream here, I see.
Yes. And the ingredients is 1 stick of butter. 6 tablespoons of flour.
Okay.
2 cups of milk.
Okay.
2 bouillon cubes of chicken or whatever flavor you desire.
Okay.
And then some pepper.
All right.
And it's really good. You cook it on the stove, let it get hot, let it get a little thick, but whisk it, and it'll come out and it'll be nice and creamy.
Oh,
just like cream of chicken soup.
Nice.
And it's homemade, and it's quick and easy. I mean, it takes maybe 2 minutes, if that. And then you'll take that cream of chicken, and I pour it on top of the burgers, and bake on 350 until done.
Okay. Well, we will see what this looks like when it comes out of the oven.
All right.
All right. All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
That looks amazing.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And serve with rice.
Serve with rice, okay. Test time. All right, look at this plate. We are about to dig in. All right. I'm gonna test it and see what it's like. All right. Grab some of this, these onions on here too. The meat is cooked to perfection, and all of the spices and things and the onions and everything bring out the Salisbury steak so well. It's sauteed mushrooms on here. It is absolutely amazing. Another awesome meal from Tia's Kitchen.